Are you vacuuming today? You gonna help Mommy clean? Oh, really? You hear the washing machine going too? Okay, we're cleaning up today. Uh-huh. Daddy's off in India, so we gotta clean up the house. Now, I'm taking this video because you gotta remember this when you're older and Mommy says, Smoodgie, it's time to vacuum. Oh, almost made it. Don't. Hey, no. No, no. Take that out of your mouth, Cole. No. No, no. What does no, no mean? No, no means you can't have it. You can't have that in your mouth. Okay? You can look at that part. Yeah. What do you think? Pretty good? Okay.